we can do full home painting, touching up, just fixing drywall. If there's a hole in the wall, we can fix that. But right now it's winter time in Chicago, so it's interior painting, and then
Interior
later
painting,
on
right?
we can do interior painting right now.
Oh, okay, understand, understand.
So I'm gonna do
Perfect.
painting and handyman services to fix things around the house, hang pictures, hang a TV. There's a bunch of different things that can be done.
Oh, okay, okay, understand, understand. It's perfect. So I think the Google Ads is more. It can be helpful for you and me because if I help you to get complete the deal, then you make money. Also, I make money because you will hire me more and more.
Yep.
Yeah. So could you please share the ads account access?
The what?
I mean Google Ads account access with Junaid.
Say that one more time.
Yeah, actually for camping setup, we need your Google Ads account access.
Yeah, yeah,
So
we
could you
can do
please
that.
share the
So
access?
I could share it.
Oh, okay, perfect. Junaid, please.
How do I share?
I can help you. Could you please share the screen? Then I can guide you.
Yeah, so I'm going here now. Here, Google Campaigns. This is for my other business, I think, but you'll get the idea. So this is for, I think, my boat charter business. But this is what you're looking for, correct?
This account is not active.
Right. It says reactivate. So I'm not sure how. I tried pressing
Oh,
reactivate,
okay.
and it wouldn't do anything yesterday. So we haven't used it in a while, but need to make sure it gets going.
Oh, okay, I understand.
And then click on campaigns here, overview. So obviously, I got to set up a new business on here. This is my boat charter business, and we want to, we want to set up a new campaign for obviously the handyman business, paint and handyman business. But
So your goal is to get the handyman customer or painting customers.
both.
Oh,
So I
understand.
think I think handyman. We could start with handyman business because I think there's less competition for handyman in the area. When I Google Wilmette handyman, nothing shows up. So if you go to Google, you still seeing my screen?
Okay. Oh, perfect. Amazing. It's look good.
It looks good, but no response. So we might have to say 10% off or something like that. But bottom line is, I've been watching some videos on YouTube about doing ads, and it's to do it right. It's very complicated, but the bottom line is, just have to have the right keywords.
Yeah.
Handyman services in Wilmette. So first, I want to do just small paint jobs, small handyman stuff around the house. I've got a network of guys that I can, if we get
Skin off
bigger
করে দাও.
jobs, bigger paint jobs, I've got people I could refer the business to, or just basically they would be what they call subcontractors of mine, and we
Okay.
can get the jobs done. I just want to see if we can spend a small amount of money, 5 or 10 or $20 a day, just to see what happens if I can get some business. I'd like to get some business.
Actually, I'll have to explain something. Please allow me. I'm explaining from
Yeah,
starting. So the thing is, when any people search for service, then some website show in the. Can I share my screen?
please.
Okay, so after explain, I will share my screen. The we need ultimately our goal is to in the upper our website. When people search, then our goal is people click our website, right?
Uh-huh.
Then I can buy our service. I can sell our service.
Uh-huh.
So here is two type thing. One is SEO, I mean organic keyword, and the second thing is Google Ads, I mean PPC. For that, you reach out to me. I understand, and I'm a painting business, painting business PPC expert. I have experience. So can I share my screen? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
No, I'm not sure what that says. What does that say? Oh, painters in Chicago, but don't do Chicago. Do Wilmette, so you get a better idea. Or unless you need to do Chicago, but just Wilmette is Wilmette, Illinois, USA is
yeah.
where we are.
Actually, I write the Chicago because I am from Bangladesh. Then the Bangladesh website is show that not make sense. That's why I add the Chicago. Is it okay?
Okay.
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 So the thing is, you can see here, this is one website, here is a multiple website. So this website right here, the sponsor, okay, sponsors.
Yeah.
So this called
Yeah.
PPC campaign. So if I scroll down, this one, this one, this one, and this one also, the 5 website is a sponsor, and this one Yelp, this is showing by SEO, and these are the Google Map, GMB account, and if I show you this all the organic, I mean SEO. So our goal is to put our website in the upper, I mean sponsors, I mean PPC, right?
Right.
Wow. And you already tell me your budget is per day 20 to $30. Yeah, it's good enough because we are starting. When you make money, then you can increase the budget, right?